I welcome you all for the lecture series in Production Technology course. So, last class we have discussed what is metrology, the definition of metrology, and the importance and the various things associated with metrology. I hope you all be able to recap all those things. And let us start with the definition of the metrology. Metrology, the science of measurements, is essential for accuracy, ensuring accuracy, reliability, and quality in wide range of industries. At the heart of metrology is the process of calibration, which is the cornerstone of maintaining measurements, traceability, and confidence. So it encompasses the study of measurements in the accuracy and the instruments used to obtain measurements. So accurate and reliable measurements are critical for manufacturing, quality control, scientific research, and wide range of other applications. So why we need calibration? So we have four important aspects for the importance of calibration. So ensuring accuracy, traceability, compliance, cost savings. So calibration verifies that measuring instruments or measurement instruments are operating with a specified tolerance, ensuring the accuracy of measurements. It is like verifying with the master or the standard measuring practices that whether the instrument are operating within the specified tolerance, ensuring the accuracy of measurements. Traceability. Calibration establishes a chain of traceability linking measurements to national or international standards. So, an instrument calibrated component, and the component is traveling across the world for trade. For example, you are manufacturing a piston for a four-stroke engine like Yamaha. So this piston has to be manufactured not only for one automobile component, it has to be manufactured for several automobile components and excess of production to be made for service purpose also. So this is the piston is sold out, or we can trade this piston in various countries for replacement when there is a damage for the piston. So this is called interchangeability. So whenever we use a piston which is measured with a calibrated instrument, the accuracy is maintained. Whether it is used in India or some other country, the component will falls into the standards of standard dimensions that is specified in the drawing. So compliance, proper calibration is often required by the regulations, industry and standards and quality management systems. So better compliance, better accuracy, better measurements and better achieving of the company's goal. So that is certain companies will have 0 ppm, that is the parts rejected will be no, that is 0 parts per million. So quality also, not only manufacturing, quality also plays a very important role in maintaining that. So cost savings, regular calibration can prevent costly errors, downtime, product defects. So what are the principles of calibration? Reference standards. Calibration relies on the use of reference standards, which are measurement instruments of known accuracy and traceability. Uncertainty analysis. Calibration involves a thorough analysis of the source of uncertainty in the measurement process. Adjustment and optimization. Calibration may include adjusting the instrument to minimize the errors and optimize its performance. Comprehensive documentation is essential for ensuring the traceability and reliability of calibrated instruments. So whenever you go for any instrument calibration, so we have a sticker pasted on the instrument for calibration with color codes. For example, the instrument has to be calibrated during the duration of 3 months once. So when it comes to January to March, it will have one color code, and April to June, it will have another color code. Likewise, we will have a proper documentation of the calibration procedure, and every instrument, by seeing itself, we can understand that there is a due date for calibration. So beyond which the instrument, if you are using, the accuracy of the instrument may go down and the product quality may get affected. So what are the calibration methods and techniques we use? In-house calibration, third-party calibration, automated calibration, periodic calibration. So calibration performed by the organization using its own resources and equipment, we call it as in-house calibration. Calibration performed by the external service provider, it is understood, and it should be an accredited body by like NABL. A standard certification should be obtained. Those agencies, we can do third-party calibration. So use of computerized systems to streamline the calibration process and improve efficiency is automated calibration. Regular calibration performed at the predetermined intervals to maintain measurement accuracy is very important. So uncertainty in calibration that we have already discussed in the previous class, the same applies to the calibration standards also. Calibration management systems, inventory management, scheduling, and documentation. Maintaining a comprehensive of database of all measurement instruments and their calibration standards is inventory management. Establishing a systematic schedule for regular calibration, ensuring timely and consistent performance is scheduling, and we have effective documentation to be done. So the conclusion and key takeaways of this particular session is calibration is essential. It is a foundation of accurate and reliability measurements, ensuring quality and compliance. So comprehensive approach, successful calibration requires adherence to principle, use of appropriate methods and effective management systems. Ongoing evaluation and refinement of calibration process are crucial for maintaining measurement integrity. Leveraging the expertise of both in-house firms and external services providers can optimize calibration process. I hope you understood what is the basic things that deals with calibration. Thank you for your patient listening.